Ready to ditch the hassle of transferring photos from your Nikon D3500 to your phone the old-fashioned way? First, let's explore the wireless option, using Nikon's Wireless Mobile Adapter, if you have one. Begin by plugging the Wireless Mobile Adapter into the designated port on your D3500, usually found on the side of the camera. Next, download and install the Nikon Wireless Mobile Utility app on your smartphone from your App Store. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your camera's Wi-Fi network, which will appear in your phone's Wi-Fi settings once the adapter is properly installed. Now, for the wired method, grab a compatible USB cable, typically a microSD for the D3500, and connect one end to your camera and the other to your smartphone. On your phone, you may need to select the File Transfer or Import Photos option from the USB connection notification. This allows your phone to access the D3500 storage. Once connected, navigate your camera's storage through your phone's file manager and select the photos or videos you want to transfer. Now you're free to edit and share those beautiful DSLR-quality images directly from your phone. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Nikon D3500 to your smartphone, making on-the-go editing and sharing a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography tips and tricks.